Hi, my name is Pop. I'm making a video tutorial in Ubuntu Basics showing how you can create icons for Unity 12.10 for programs which run only in the terminal. And I'm also going to show how to destroy the icons if you don't need them anymore. I found this website, and this website shows how to do this. And I did not invent this. I am just making the video. The guy who invented this is this fellow, and so all credit for him. If you go over to your launcher and go to the circle and right click it, you'll see your applications. Now every installation is going to be different, and the number that you have depends on what you've got installed. But not everything is up there, and I'll give you an example. Let's say you've got alsamixer, you know that one, and alsamixer is a program that runs only in the terminal. So let me close this, and I'm going to go Ctrl-Alt-T, and there is my terminal, and I'm going to type in alsamixer. And I didn't spell it right. And there it is. Now, if you want to create an icon for this, this website shows you how you can do this. I'm going to cursor down, and there are a couple of lines. First, you've got to install a panel, and there's a line right here you're going to copy, paste, and run in the terminal. And I'm going to left click right here and go across until I get to the end. Now watch the slider at the bottom move, and I went to the end. And now I can go Ctrl-C and copy it, and then I'll paste that in the terminal. So I'm going to unzoom, Ctrl-Alt-T, and now to paste it I'm going to go Shift-Control-V and then hit enter. Put in my password, and it's done. Alright, now I'm going to go back, zoom in again to the next line. After installing, you're going to create the launcher. Now I want to show you a trick for copying and pasting lines like this. There's a slider here, and you go across, and remember last time I put my cursor at the beginning of the line and then I just moved it over. What you can do is just go right here with your cursor, hold down the left mouse key, and then go under it, and that's all you got to do. Now Control-C for copy. Open your terminal, Ctrl-Alt-T, Shift-Control-V, password. Oh, sorry, wrong password. And there we go. And now you've got this Create Launcher. You may recognize this from pre-Unity days, and it is the same deal to create a launcher for your top panel. If you remember that, if you are not absolutely brand new to Ubuntu, there used to be a panel up here, and you could create launchers and put it in the panel, and you used to be able to change the icon. Well, right now I'm just going to type in alsamixer, and then the command is alsamixer. And I've got to do one other thing. It's got to be an application in the terminal. And then when I hit OK, I'm done. So now I'm going to close the and I'm going to go up here, right click, Applications, and since it begins with A, there it is. And when I tap on it, there I got it, alsamixer. Well, you might ask yourself, where the heck are these things? I'm going to show you. You go over here to Home Folder and open it up, and you're going to go to your filing system. And I'm showing you this for a very particular reason. You may want to destroy these icons at some time or another. You may want to go in there and erase them. This is in User, and that's without any User. Open it up, and you're going to go to Share, and then Applications. This is not Applications. This is Applications. And here they are. Now here's your alsamixer. Now you might think, well, I just want to get rid of it. So you right click, and guess what? Move to Trash is not available. And that's because you do not have any rights. So I'll show you now how to do that. Close everything. Ctrl-Alt-T. You just use the word sudo, S-U-D-O, and we were in the Nautilus, the chambered Nautilus, Captain Nemo submarine, for navigating the waters, the deep, deep waters. Remember, this was User, not User, and it was Share, and it was Applications, and you hit Enter. Give your password, and it's the exact same thing with one difference, and that difference is that when you now go up here and right click, you can move to Trash. So I don't want to move it to Trash. I'm just going to keep that icon, but I'm going to do something else because I'm a pud knocker. There's a German phrase, das Ding an sich, the thing about itself. And the thing about itself is recursive. In other words, when they first invented the word processor, what were all the things being written about? Word processing. Excuse me. The same thing with computer programs. What were the first computer programs being written about? Computer programming. I don't know. I mean, it's the thing about itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an icon to create an icon. Can you do that? I guess so. Well, let's see if I can do that. Ctrl-Alt-T, and I'm going to do my history. So that's up arrow. Now I don't want that one. Aha. Yeah, that's the one I want. So let's copy that. I mean, I want to copy that, right? And can I do that here? Can I do that here? Yeah, I think so. Control C. No, I can't do that here. Watch what happens. See what happens? Nothing. I'm not sure that works. But let's run this program. Enter. And there it is. Let's go create icon. And the command, Control V. Aha! Except there's a couple little weird looking boxes on the end. Do you see those? I want to get rid of those. I don't know what those things are. Gracious. Comment. Let's change this. Remember to do that. Application in terminal. I'm going to call it create icon, or that's going to be under C. Remember this, because you got to find these things. Once you create them, you have to remember what you did. Let's see if that worked. Right click, Applications. It's under C, right? Recently used. B, C, create icon. Let's see if we get that little box. There we are. We can create any which kind of icon now by typing in the name and the command. And you have to be careful up here. Is it going to run in the terminal, or is it going to be a regular application? Now, you may want to destroy an icon. So remember that in the history, we're going to use this other one, sudo nautilus, and that's going to allow us to go in there and destroy an icon. So let me see, can I copy that? Oh, I'm not sure if you can do this or not. Ctrl-C, close, and we're going to go here, applications. We're going to go to create an icon. We're going to create an icon so that we can destroy an icon. Destroy icon. And the command, oh, I hope I do this right. Control-V. No, that's not right. Let's just type it in. Sudo nautilus user share applications. Enter. And now right click, applications, and under D, destroy icon. Hello? Did it work? Oh, you know what I did? You know what I didn't do? I forgot to say application in terminal. Therefore, it does not work. So, I'm going to have to go in, Ctrl-Alt-T, and let's see if we can find it. Destroy icon. Properties. Maybe I can just change it. It says run in terminal. That's what I want to do, right? I think I'm just going to go ahead and destroy this and start over. And then maybe the error and repair of this will reinforce the memory of it. Move to trash. One more time, okay? Create icon. Destroy icon. Application in terminal. Sudo, nautilus user, look what I did, user share applications. Okay. Hello? Okay. Now let's go up to it. Here we got a create icon. Here we got a destroy icon. And now I'm in Nautilus, and I can go in there and I can destroy alsamixer if I want to. Move to trash. And that's all there is to it. And my name is Pop, and I have over 100 YouTube videos called Ubuntu Basics, and I enjoy making these, and I hope that this